got this.
Good morning from Ohio.
You know, when we started looking into this state and what we might want to do when we came here, we had no idea.
And then we saw it. The roller coaster capital of the world.
No brainer.
Oh my gosh, so here's the deal. Steven does not like roller coasters.
Not a fan.
I just thought this would be a really interesting thing to do while we were up here, and it's been so long since we've been to an amusement park. So, my birthday is this weekend, and I played the birthday card to get him to come along.
Can't say no to that.
We've got one up ahead that's going up into the fog. That is our first coaster of the morning. This coaster we're about to go on is called Millennium Force because it debuted in 2000. And at the time, it set a record for a tallest drop at 310 feet. And it goes 93 miles an hour. Okay, first ride of the day. How do you feel?
Deep breath.
All right, here it goes.
I'm not sure I need more of that in my life.
We haven't even gone upside down yet. That drop felt like we were going right into the lake.
I wanted to go on this one next, but it got a hard no from Steven.
This looks more like Steve.
Alright, we're taking a break from the roller coasters for the Power Tower. So obviously it's not just all roller coasters here, but that is the main attraction. But this looks like a lot of fun, and it's probably gonna make me puke. So it turns out that you're not allowed to video on any of the rides. Oops. So I had to make Steven go on one by himself so I could get some footage of him ride.
I took one for the team. Best thing about theme parks are the snacks.
You want some of your pretzel? So as we mentioned, Steven is not a fan of roller coasters, and he's never been on one that goes upside down. So I'm gonna try to get him on one today. But I got a little nervous when I saw this fire truck here behind me because I thought, oh shoot, if he sees that there's been some kind of an emergency, there is no way I'm getting him on one. Thankfully, it's actually a vendor and not an emergency vehicle.
Okay, we lucked out because we happen to come here at the time of year when there's a special event going on called Frontier Fest, which is like entertainment, food, beer, drinks. So fortunately for me, I only have to ride these roller coasters that I don't like for part of the day, and then we get to go over there and have food and enjoy ourselves. Score.
Okay, we're each trying one of the signature drinks here. I got the mango with Sprite. It's called the Sunflower Spritz.
And I got a black cherry bandit, which is lemonade infused with basil lemon and black cherry syrup.
And that basil sounds amazing, so I might be stealing his in a minute. They're doing a pie eating contest for these kids? How do we get on this?
We were just saying it smells like horses all of a sudden.
Here we go. He's doing it, you guys. I don't know what this one's called.
This next one's called the corkscrew.
It's got a loop, it's got a corkscrew. He is going upside down.
It goes 48 miles an hour, which is only about half as fast as the last one we were on, but it does go upside down. I'll try to keep my eyes open for this one. Second time, number 9, our lucky number.
He did it! He survived!
That one was actually pretty cool.
He was laughing the entire time. Oh my gosh. It's such a shame though, they don't allow you to take any of your personal belongings on the ride with you. So we got no footage of your first upside down.
Oh well.
But we're gonna do another one. Okay, we're waiting to get on the Raptor. It's got 6 inversions and you dangle from the track, which is above you.
Did you say 6 inversions? Okay, I gotta admit, this is kind of fun.
It was so much fun. Thank you for being such a good sport.
You're welcome. Happy birthday.
Thank you. Steven's been such a good sport about everything today, so he earned himself a little baby beer.
Salud.
Isn't that cute?
One more.
One more. Rougarou. We're not going to be able to video on this, of course, but we'll definitely let you know our impressions when we're done.
It was 5, but I lost count at 4. How many times we went upside down? I'm pretty sure that was 5.
I find with these rides that just flip you and twist you all over the place, I start to lose sense of which way is up, and I don't even know if I'm upside down or right way up anymore. So
We got thrown around again on that.
yeah, that one was pretty rough, but it was so fun.
That was pretty fun.
Oh my gosh, you guys, that was exhausting.
I gotta admit, that was a blast. We had fun.
We
didn't
made a roller coaster rider out of him. I'm so psyched. So listen, stay tuned because we've got so much more of this road trip to go. Tomorrow we're going to be in Detroit. We're going to tour Motown. And then after that, we're going across to Chicago, down through Indiana. There's so much more to come. So make sure you subscribe so you don't miss a single stop. As always, thank you so much for watching. And we'll see you next
See you next time.